Okay, guys, welcome to Our World Outdoors. This is Tony. I just got an email here from Mint Mobile, and I thought I'd just share it with the community as soon as possible. Basically, the short of this video is you're going to get increased gigabytes, and if you continue to buy the year-long plan, it won't cost you more on the month. Now, it says on January 29th, we're upgrading all our plans to give you even more data for streaming and foxing around on all your favorite apps. Yay you. And we're still doing it at the lowest prices in the mobile universe. Yay us. More gigs, more value. We want you to make your data dreams come true, so our 2 gigabyte plans will be upgraded to 3 gigabyte, 5 gigabyte plans to 8 gigabyte, and 10 gigabyte plans to 12 gigabyte. With our new plan, you'll be getting more gigs per dollar than before and more bang for your buck than any other guys out there. Hashtag winning. What does this mean for you? Now, I have the 1-year plan with 2 gigabytes, so they're going to be upgrading to me to 3 gigabytes as of January 29th. So my current plan will automatically go from 2 gigabytes to 3 gigabytes on the next monthly reset at no charge. Since your next renewal will be on a 12-month plan, you will get to enjoy our newly added giginess for free. So the prices. Starting January 29th, the cost of our new 3 and 6-month plans will go up a few bucks a month, but you don't need to worry because all 12-month plan pricing remains the same because buying in bulk rules. So they tell you something about you've hacked into the deals, whatever. So here's where you see the changes. The changes are in the 3 and 6-month plan. The cost has gone up. But if you look down at the bottom, the 12-month plans haven't changed in price. So that $15 that I normally pay, which I told you guys in my other videos, only $186.50 a year, you now get 3 gigs instead of 2. The mid-tier deal, which they're pushing hard because it went from 5 gigs to 8 gigs for $20 a month. And then you've got the 12 gig, it used to be a 10 gig, now it's a 12 gig package for $25 a month. These prices are great. The increased data is great. You've seen other guys in the markets trying to come close and copy this. This is just Mint Mobile putting them to bed. It's just done. They're not going to put up with it. They're going to raise the data rates, and they're going to continue to do things like this. And that's why I told you guys to go with them in the beginning. So just wanted to bring this email I got to you guys' forefront so you guys could see it, know what's going on with the new pricing structure and the new gigs. Basically stay with the 12-month to get the maximum discount, and they're just going to give you more data. So once again, this is Tony with Our World Outdoors. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment, and we'll see you in the next one.